Hi friends, today we are going to do Avnish's haircut at home.
Last time I did it at
Great clips. This is how I was trying to make the lines. So you see, even if it goes wrong, after 2-3 days it will blend in and this will be fine. So this is how he looks.
Yankee Doodle Doo with Avanish.
Did you see our video at Great Clips? If not, you can go and check it. Let's see how the haircut comes out this time since I am doing it at home. What do you think, Avnish? You're scared? Oh, he's scared. I've done his haircut before, so I think it will be a cakewalk.
Daddy is Anisha's hairstylist today.
Yes, this is the trimmer which I'm going to use. It is by Philips Noralco and I really like. So this is a 5 mm clipper which I'm going to use. Put in some water. So I'm going to start from back. And so the back part is actually very easy. All I do is I just put a hand over here and I'm just going to clip all of these going from down. So we have to be little careful with kids because they will not remain stable and they will be moving here and there. So also we need to make sure that the hair doesn't itch them. It's not itchy. So we just keep on throwing it outside so they are comfortable. So see, that was so quick and the back part is almost done. There are some trimming at the edges which is needed, which I will be doing later on, but it just took me a minute to cut the back part. So the back part is actually the easiest part, and I do my own haircuts also at times, and it is very easy to do the back part. So we are done with the back part.
Looks like this. I really like the haircuts that you give to Avnish.
Thank you.
They come out very stylish.
I'm very tickly.
So now I'm going to do the side partition and I'm going to use the same clipper. You can use a different one based on what you like. I like small hair on Avnish. You can just do, and that's very quick and easy. And
Avnish is also doing a very good job.
yes, he's not shaking much
Yeah.
because he's a grown up. When he was a kid, he used to shake so much, the barbers used to not like it.
And he used to cry a lot too.
Yeah, he used to cry a lot too. So let me just
Now
clean.
he's not scared of haircut anymore.
Yeah.
He's grown big and brave.
Yeah. So you can see
Tall and
there are-
smart.
So when I did the sides, you can see that there were some parts left. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove the clipper and use the zero shape, and I'm just going to take them in my hand like this, and make sure you don't take it from the other end, and you just kind of cut it like this. Now we are going to do this end, and Avnish is already itchy, so I have to be very quick. So comment and tell me how your kid stays when you do his haircut. So
Avnish is feeling all tickly. But you're doing a good job, Avnish.
yeah, he's doing.
So Avnish, do you like getting haircuts?
No,
No?
but I'm not scared.
Yeah, we know you're
I
not.
don't like haircuts because it will take forever.
It takes forever to get haircuts done.
Yeah.
But I think Daddy is doing a good job. He's doing it quickly.
Yeah, I like to do it from him.
Last time you told me that you liked the Great Clips haircut too.
But I just wanted to do one time.
Only just one time.
Yeah.
Cutting the edges from here.
Avnish got a haircut from Great Clips once and then he decided to get his haircut from Daddy.
Thank you, Avnish.
You're welcome.
So this means Daddy is a better hairstylist
Yeah.
for Avnish, right Avnish?
Oops, what is this? A big hole I made here. Avnish, I made a big hole here.
Dad is just tricking you.
I knew it!
So in front, how I'm going to cut is you can just take in the hand and just trim like this. And Avnish, close your eyes. So this part is little tricky. Okay, I got it. It didn't went in his eyes. Now I have to blend all in so they all are of same size. So do the same thing from all the edges. So this part may sometimes look difficult actually, but it will turn out good. The top
No,
part is okay, or you want more shorter?
I think it's fine. It's winter time. So like if he has little bit long hair, it
At
will
the top
protect
is
him.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes. So this is how I cut his front side of the hair. So the top part is almost done, but you can see at the back there are some big layers. So I'm just going to cut it little so it matches the front. And I think he can live with this. So I'm going to show you how to put a style on his sides. I'm going to make two lines over here. So for that you need the zero clipper, and this is how you are going to do it. So you have to turn it upside down, and you have to be very careful when you're doing this because you can mess it up. So this is how you do this.
I hear a sound.
Yeah. How is it looking, Mama?
What are you trying to do?
I am making two lines.
I think you're trying to write an A over there.
No, I'm not writing a letter. I'm just making two lines.
Oh.
So this is how the lines look. I just made them very small because it looks good at him. We can make different letters. I'm going to show you that in the different video. So do comment and tell me if you like his haircut. And this is how you trim the edges and make it neat. You can give a different shape at the end. So be careful since we are using it without the clips. So we have to be very careful.
And don't cut your ear.
Yeah, and don't cut the ear. Yeah, I think it looks neat.